right? I want to also change its modal heading. So now let's first open the modal here. So open the modal. What's the modal ID? So this would be buy now modal dot modal show. This one is a class to show the modal. Give it a refresh and this is how. Click on it. Yes, displaying the modal. Okay, and here now let's remove this product from there, and whenever we clicked on this modal, so here I want to display its heading. It will be the HTML, and I want to display the product to name, right? Or I can simply display that product to details, right? So if you don't want to write the dynamic content at the heading here, so you can add this simply in the HTML, right? It's totally up to you. And now here this one is getting the detail, and I want to add some product detail here. So before this I want to display this here in the modal. I want to display a simple table where I will display the information of my product. Simply I want to display the product name, and then I should add another button which will send the Ajax request to the server, right? And um, I think that's it. I don't need to display the product image again like a card, and you know that you can add this into the card, right? But here I want to display this inside the modal. Simply purchase the product from there instantly, right? So this will improve the user experience. So first I want to display the product name, right? So here I want to display this inside the thing, and this would be the product name, and after this, oops, product name, and here I want to display this inside the here. So this would be span, and the ID would be the product name, right? And then we have also uh, we can also add a hidden ID here. So this should be the hidden, right? So I will use this whenever submit my form on server again. So I will use this ID to purchase the product, right? Or should I need to use this out, or I need to create another table where I will store the product's price whenever I don't want to store its foreign key in my database, right? Why I don't want to store the foreign key inside my database, right? Because if I purchase the product of this product, if I purchase a product, this camera which price is for example $50, right? And I will make the reference of this product inside the database, right? And now later on this camera price will be changed in the future, right? Maybe it's 50 to 70, right? If I will add the reference of this product, so even if this will display the our product price is 70 in the purchased product, even we have purchased this with the $50, right? So it's not a good thing to reference this in the purchased product, right? So we need to hard code our data in this product purchase table, right? So that's why I'm not going to use the ID here anymore. I will display the product information, and then here we need to enter some how much I'm displaying the points, or I'm displaying the dollar on the here. I'm not displaying any of the dollar here, so we need to display the points. And I think before this I'm displaying these dollars, these points, not the dollar. So let me add these points at the top. After this description, I want to store some. Let me set the bootstrap badge. Okay, yes, this one. Save this one, give it a refresh. Is it two? No. So that I think this one is a bootstrap. Remove this one and give it a refresh. And yes, yes, here we can display the product points. Product points, right? Simply use this product points. Refresh it, and yes, this one is 30, 50, and 10. That's correct. And we can display this, align this in the left side. It's totally up to you. I think it looks better here on the left side, but if I go ahead and move this on the right side, yes, this one also looks pretty, right? I'm going to make this remain the same. Click on this buy now button, and yes, model is pop up. And if I click on this out, it's scrolling, right? Little bit it's scrolling. So how to remove this scroll effect? Just go here, simply add this javascript and make this void function and pass the 0, so then it wouldn't affect the web page. Click on it, and yes, simply it's now displaying the model. Okay, so we are displaying the product heading here, and here I don't want to display the product name. I want to display what should I do? Product name. And why I'm creating this model here? I need to directly, when a user is clicking on here, so I want to directly purchase this product, right? I don't need this cart anymore. So sorry guys, I'm reusing this information again. So what should I do? So let me think about this. We'll click on this buy now button. So we have products and all detail. Oh my god, dude. Here we can choose a quantity, right? So that's why we need the model. So simply add here a button of quantity here in the model. After this product name, we need the product quantity, right? This would be then input. And so how to display this? So here you can wait this out, display a plus minus button, and then we can increase this out. So let me add the button. This would be plus, and here this would be a button, would be the minus, and this would be a simple input. Refresh, click on it buy now. Yes, looks so nice. So let me make this little bit more in the center, and okay, and this should be the class of form control, and then these buttons should be also class of btn, this one and this one too. Refresh, buy now, and this one looks like this. It's occupied the full space, right? So I don't want to do this like this. Let me remove these buttons stuff. Maybe wouldn't contain the full. Add the buttons inside this. No, it's not adding this out. Also, I don't want to add this form control. Form control is these buttons should be good. Okay, add this form control. We can add the custom css here, right? Refresh it here. These button look like this. These are also not look so too much pretty. So how we can display this into the single line. Sorry guys, I'm taking your too much time, so let me pick up some existing template, existing this design, and I will shoot this in the next video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.